So when it comes to fishing these open water areas, especially these shallow mud flats or bowl style lakes, one thing to keep in mind is almost everything. Any little piece that you can take. Maybe it's water temperature, and for instance, if it's springtime or even this time in the summer, maybe one side has warmer water than the other. A lot of times that's based off of wind, but keeping note of when you set up a pass, when you finish a pass, maybe when you get a bite, if anything changed, if it got colder, if it got warmer. And generally you'll notice a warmer area is gonna obviously have more activity. Another thing in this situation we've seen earlier today, we had a lot of rain, upwards of 5 inches. And there was actually a clean water area we could see once it got light enough this morning where there was just that maybe 6 inch more visibility, 4 inches at most. But there was definitely a line, and that's where those sheephead were gone, and that's where the edge of where we did get a couple walleye bites this morning. You can never overlook what your electronics are telling you, especially side imaging. And side imaging is going to cover a lot of water, which is going to allow you to see far, see how many fish, or maybe it's even a little vegetation growing down there, or maybe a little bit different bottom hardness. And so it's all these things kind of play into these open water situations, because generally when you find one, there's generally more than one there, and you can almost duplicate it. So dropping waypoints is really important.